Hello students, in previous video we have seen question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.4. Now moving ahead with question number 3, division of fraction. Here also we will take reciprocal. In question number 1, here whole number was given and this side fraction was given. So we have done reciprocal and we have changed this sign. Now first fraction is given, then whole number is given. Procedure is same. Let us start. First of all, whatever is given to you after the sign, that number we have to take reciprocal. As I told you that first number, whether it is a whole number, whether it is a fraction, whether it is a mixed fraction, whatever is given over here, that should not be changed. This you will not change. Don't take the reciprocal of this part. Otherwise student will think that okay, fraction is given here, so now we will take reciprocal of this part. So no, that is wrong. Okay, so always you will take reciprocal of this part, second part, the number or the fraction which is given after the sign. As I told you in previous video also, we have to take reciprocal of this number which is given after the sign, जो sign के बाद दिया है, right side of the sign. So let us start. First part should not be changed, so that will be same, 7/3. Now division sign we will change it into multiplication and then we will take reciprocal of 2. Now you will say that how to take reciprocal of 2? Very simple. Here only 2 is given. You can write 2/1. 2 means 2/1. Whenever there is no denominator, you can write 1. So in place of 2, you can write 2/1. Now 7/3 we will keep same. Division sign we will change into multiplication sign, and at the same time we will take the reciprocal. Now reciprocal is easy of 2. 2/1, it will become 1/2. Now you can take reciprocal. It was only 2, we have written upon 1. So now the reciprocal of 2 will be 1/2. Now cancellation is not possible, so you will multiply this. So 7 ones will be 7 and 3 twos will be 6. So 7/6 is our answer. Moving ahead with second sum. Again first part we will keep same. We don't have to change first part. Here again 5 is given. So now you know what to do. We will keep here upon 1. So division sign we will change it. So division sign will change and we will write here multiplication sign. And at the same time we will take the reciprocal. Now reciprocal of 5/1. So it will be 1/5. Again cancellation is not possible. So we will multiply. So 4 ones are 4 and here 9 5s will be 45. So 4/45 is your answer. This is 45. So 4/45 is your answer. Now third one, again first part 6/13 will be same. Division sign we have to change it into multiplication sign. Division sign we will change into multiplication. And 7 again we will write 7/1 and we will take reciprocal, so it will be 1/7. Again cancellation is not possible, so we will multiply. 6 ones will be 6 and 13 sevens will be, if you don't know the table you can multiply on the sides. 13 into 7 आप साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक कर सकते हो. It will be 91. It will come 91. So 6/91 is our answer. Now fourth one, first part is mixed fraction. So we will convert it. We will only convert. Don't take reciprocal. So we have to convert it. So 3 fours will be 12 and 12 plus 1 will be 13. So it will be 13/3. And here division sign is given. So division sign we will change it into multiply. And we will take reciprocal of 3. So reciprocal of 3 will be 1/3. Here I told you you can write upon 1. So 3/1. So now reciprocal is 1/3. Again cancellation is not possible, so we will multiply. 13 and 3 both are they will never come in the same table, so we have to multiply. So 13 into 1, so 13 and down 3 threes will give you 9. So 13/9 is your answer. Moving ahead with fifth sum. Fifth sum is also of same type what we have done in fourth one. So let us start with fifth sum. Again we will convert. So 3 twos will be 6 plus 1 will give you 7/2. Now again 4 is given. So whenever a whole number is given to you, write upon 1 and then take reciprocal. So division sign will change into multiplication, and at the same time we will take reciprocal of 4 upon 1. So it will be 1 upon 4. Now we will multiply. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 fours are will be 8. So 7 upon 8 is our answer. Sixth one is also of same type. We will first convert this mixed fraction. So 4 sevens are will be 28 plus 3. So 29, 30 and 31. So it will be 31 upon 7. Here again 7 is given. You can write upon 1. Division sign will change into multiplication, and 7 upon 1 will become 1 upon 7. Reciprocal. You have to change the sign and take the reciprocal. Only these two changes you need to keep in mind. The sign and next numbers reciprocal. So 13 ones will be, 31 ones will be 31, and here 7 sevens will be 49. So 31 upon 49 is your answer of sixth one. So question 3 is over. Now moving ahead with question number 4, which is again division of fraction, but here two fractions are given. In question 1, first whole number and then fraction was given. In question 3, first fraction and then whole number is given. Now in question 4, both sides fraction is given. Method is same, okay, but method is same. First part again we will keep same, and we will take reciprocal of second part. So let us see question number 4, find. So this is our question number 4. So as I told you, first part we don't have to change. So 2 upon 5 will be as it is. Now we have to change this sign and this number's reciprocal. So division sign we will change it into multiplication, and 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 2 upon 1. Again 5 and 2, and this way see cancellations not possible. So multiply. So 2 2s are 4, and here 5 ones will be 5. So first one understood. Okay, now second one and third one is same as first one. So second and third sum you people will try yourself. Now moving ahead with fourth sum. So fourth sum, first part is mixed fraction, so that we will convert. So 2 3s will be 6 plus 1. So 7 upon 3 divide by 3 upon 5. Now we will solve it. We have converted, now we will solve it. So 7 upon 3. Divide sign we will change it into multiplication, and now we will take the reciprocal. So 3 upon 5 will become 5 upon 3. Okay. First step we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and other thing we have to keep same. Then in next step we have to change division sign into multiplication, and we have to take reciprocal of this part. Now multiply, because cancellation is not possible. ऐसे बाजू बाजू में cancellation is wrong. Don't do this way, 3 and 3 cancel. No, that is wrong. For cancellation, one should be in the numerator and other should be in the denominator. This way only you can cancel, and both should come in same table. Now here cancellation is not possible. So 7 5s will be 35, and here 3 3s will be 9. So 35 upon 9 is our answer. Now sixth one, first part we will keep same. Now here improper fraction is given. So first we will convert this, and then we will take reciprocal. So 2 upon 5 will be same, division sign same, and now this we will convert. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. So 3 upon 2. So we have converted. Now in next step we will change the sign, and we will take the reciprocal of this number. Okay, so 2 upon 5, in place of division we will write multiplication, and in place of 3 upon 2 we will write 2 upon 3. We will write 2 upon 3. Now we will multiply. So 2 2s will give you 4, and 5 3s will give you 15. So 4 upon 15 is your answer of sixth sum. Now seventh one we will see. In seventh one, both sides mixed fraction is given. So this both we will convert, and then in next step we will change this sign and reciprocal. Convert तो दोनों को ही करना है, but reciprocal सिर्फ इसका ही लेना है जो भी sign के right side है, as I told you. Whatever is given after the sign. So 5 3s will be 15 plus 1. So 16 upon 5 divide by. Okay, now convert this. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2. So 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 upon 3. Now converted. Now we have to do the next step. So now first part same. Don't take the reciprocal of first part. So first part same. Division sign we will change it into multiplication. And now we will take the reciprocal. फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव जस्ट कन्वर्टेड, बोथ वर मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, सो खाली दोनों को कन्वर्ट करना है, बाकी का सेम रखना है, डिवीजन साइन सेम. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में डिवीजन साइन विल चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड 5/3 रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 3/5. Now again cancellation is not possible, so we will multiply. 16 3s are, so 16 3s are is 48, and here 5 5s are will give you 25. So 48/25 is your answer of 7th sum. Now moving ahead with this last sum, which is same as 7th one. These both are same, but I'll show you. It is 2 integer 1/5. Now again both side improper fraction is given. Again first we will convert. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11/5. Divide by, here 5 ones are 5 plus 1, so 6/5. So we have converted both. Now in next step we will change the sign and we will take the reciprocal. So here 11/5 into, we have changed the sign. Now we will take reciprocal. 6/5 will become 5/6. We have taken reciprocal. Now here this 5 and 5 can be cancelled. As you can see here, it can be cancelled. So what is left with us? 11. 11 into 1. This is cancelled, means 1 is left. So 11 into 1. So 11 ones are 11. और नीचे क्या बच गया? 6. So 11/6 is our answer. So this was question number 3 and question number 4. So here exercise 2.4 is over. Hope you understood.